Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to your Ellipal wallet. First thing I want you to do is launch up your Ellipal wallet app, and then I want you to come here to the assets section, and you'll see your different assets here. You can tap on any of them as well. You'll find the amount, and just go ahead and look for any token that you want to go ahead and receive. Then I want you to just paste in that wallet address for whichever asset. And what I need you to do is go back to Coinbase and click here on send. Come here, type in the asset to send, or you can select it as well. And then you just paste in the wallet address where you're sending the amount as well. And then you can go ahead and preview the transfer and go ahead and continue for this warning. And then you just preview everything. Make sure everything is correct, and then click on send now. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.